Day 22. This is a Castle and Key Restoration Rye single barrel store pick. Kind of fall fruits, kind of like pear, kind of like grassy, minty as well. It's about 121 proof, so it does not smell like alcohol. Wow. Kind of a blast of like, I wouldn't say sweet, but kind of like weird kind of fruity flavors going over the mouth. Little bite at the end, but yeah, just a lot of different things going on there. This is one of the more pleasantly interesting whiskeys I've had this year. Merry Christmas, everyone.